Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply link your Activision account with Twitch, PlayStation, Blizzard, Xbox, Steam, whatever in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to Activision, Home, click here on Profile, and when you're gonna do it, right here you're gonna see like account linking, and you can just actually link everything with everything. So it's like pretty simple, pretty easy. So you can link with YouTube account, Twitter account, Facebook account, Nintendo, Steam, etc. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it is. So yeah. Thank you everybody, and goodbye.